In today's world, many struggle with their weight and overall health. The modern lifestyle, characterized by sedentary habits and the easy availability of processed foods, has led to a surge in obesity and related health issues. People often find themselves trapped in a cycle of weight gain and poor health, feeling helpless and unsure of how to break free. Fad diets come and go, often leaving people feeling frustrated and defeated. These diets promise quick fixes but rarely deliver sustainable results. The constant cycle of trying and failing can be disheartening, leading many to give up on their health goals altogether. It's no wonder that so many people feel lost when it comes to finding a diet that truly works. However, a low-carb diet offers a sustainable and effective way to achieve lasting weight loss and improve well-being. Unlike fad diets, a low-carb approach focuses on long-term health benefits and realistic lifestyle changes. By reducing carbohydrate intake and focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods, individuals can experience significant improvements in their health and quality of life. This approach focuses on reducing carbohydrate intake while prioritizing nutrient-dense foods like vegetables, healthy fats, and protein. By making these foods the cornerstone of your diet, you can enjoy a variety of delicious and satisfying meals that support your health goals. The emphasis on whole foods also means that you're less likely to experience the energy crashes and cravings that come with high-carb diets. A low-carb diet, often referred to as a ketogenic or keto diet, has gained significant popularity for its remarkable benefits. The keto diet in particular has been praised for its ability to promote rapid weight loss and improve various health markers. By drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and increasing fat consumption, the body is encouraged to enter a state of ketosis, where it becomes highly efficient at burning fat for energy. By limiting carbs, the body enters a metabolic state called ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of glucose from carbohydrates. This process not only aids in weight loss but also helps to stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce insulin resistance. Many people report feeling more energetic and mentally sharp when in ketosis, making it an attractive option for those looking to enhance their overall well-being. This shift in energy production not only promotes weight loss, but also offers other health advantages, such as improved blood sugar control, reduced inflammation, and increased mental clarity. Additionally, many individuals find that their skin improves, their mood stabilizes, and they experience fewer cravings for unhealthy foods. The benefits of a low-carb diet extend far beyond the number on the scale, impacting various aspects of health and wellness. Embarking on a low-carb journey might seem daunting initially, especially with the abundance of conflicting information available. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of advice and opinions on the best way to approach a low-carb diet. However, with the right resources and a clear understanding of the principles, you can navigate this path with confidence and ease. This comprehensive guide aims to provide you with a clear understanding of low-carb principles, practical tips for success, and delicious meal ideas to keep you satisfied. From understanding the science behind low-carb eating to learning how to plan and prepare meals, this guide covers all the essentials. You'll find that with a little planning and creativity, sticking to a low-carb diet can be both enjoyable and rewarding. Whether you're looking to shed extra pounds, enhance your energy levels, or simply adopt a healthier lifestyle, this guide equips you with the knowledge and tools to thrive on a low-carb diet. By incorporating regular physical activity and mindful eating practices, you can maximize the benefits of your low-carb lifestyle and achieve your health goals more effectively. Remember, consistency is key, and with dedication and the right guidance, you can achieve your health and wellness goals. Stay committed to your low-carb journey, and you'll find that the rewards are well worth the effort. Celebrate your progress, stay motivated, and continue to make choices that support your long-term health and happiness. Carbohydrates are one of the 3 macronutrients our bodies need, alongside protein and fat. They play a vital role in our overall health and well-being. They are essential for providing energy, but not all carbs are created equal. Some carbohydrates can fuel our bodies efficiently, while others can lead to health issues. Understanding the difference between good and bad carbs is crucial for successfully adopting a low-carb lifestyle. This knowledge can help you make informed choices that benefit your health in the long run. Good carbs, also known as complex carbohydrates, are found in whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods are packed with nutrients that our bodies need to function optimally. These carbohydrates are digested slowly, providing sustained energy and essential nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Fiber in particular is important for digestive health and can help prevent constipation. On the other hand, bad carbs or refined carbohydrates are found in processed foods like white bread, pastries, and sugary drinks. These foods are often stripped of their natural nutrients and can be detrimental to your health. These carbs are quickly broken down into sugar, leading to blood sugar spikes and crashes, contributing to weight gain, and increasing the risk of chronic diseases. Consuming too many refined carbs can also lead to insulin resistance, a precursor to type 2 diabetes. When following a low-carb diet, the goal is to minimize the intake of bad carbs while prioritizing good carbs in moderation. This approach can help you maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. This means opting for whole, unprocessed foods over processed and refined options. Reading food labels can help you identify hidden sugars and unhealthy ingredients in packaged foods. By making smarter carbohydrate choices, you can regulate your blood sugar levels, reduce cravings, and support your weight loss journey. Additionally, a diet rich in good carbs can improve your overall health, boost your immune system, and enhance your mood and mental clarity. Remember, the key to a successful low-carb lifestyle is balance. Incorporate a variety of nutrient-dense foods into your diet, stay hydrated, and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. With these strategies, you can achieve your health goals and enjoy a vibrant, energetic life. Grocery shopping can be a minefield of temptations, especially when transitioning to a low-carb lifestyle. However, with a little planning and knowledge, you can easily navigate the aisles and make healthy choices that align with your dietary goals. Start by focusing on the perimeter of the grocery store, where fresh produce, meat, and seafood are typically located. These are the staples of a low-carb diet. Load up on colorful vegetables like leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, and peppers. Choose lean protein sources like chicken, fish, tofu, and eggs. Next, venture into the aisles with caution. Read labels carefully and avoid products high in sugar, refined grains, and unhealthy fats. Look for low-carb alternatives like almond flour, coconut flour, and sugar-free sweeteners. Stock up on healthy fats like olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds. Remember to check the carbohydrate content per serving and choose products with the lowest net carbs. Net carbs are calculated by subtracting fiber from total carbohydrates. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that your body can't digest, so it doesn't impact your blood sugar levels. Meal planning is essential for staying on track with any diet, and a low-carb plan is no exception. By taking the time to plan your meals, you can ensure that you have all the necessary ingredients on hand and avoid the temptation of unhealthy high-carb options. By planning your meals in advance, you can avoid impulsive food choices and ensure that you're consuming balanced and nutritious meals throughout the day. This not only helps you stick to your low-carb goals, but also saves you time and stress during busy weekdays. Start by brainstorming meal ideas that excite you. Think about your favorite dishes and how you can modify them to fit a low-carb lifestyle. There are countless delicious and satisfying low-carb recipes available online and in cookbooks. From breakfast to dinner and even snacks, you can find a variety of options that will keep your meals interesting and enjoyable. Experiment with different flavors and cuisines to keep your taste buds entertained. Trying new spices, herbs, and cooking techniques can make a big difference in the taste and enjoyment of your meals. Consider prepping ingredients ahead of time, such as chopping vegetables or cooking a batch of protein, to make meal assembly quick and easy during busy weekdays. This can be a game changer for staying on track with your low-carb diet. A typical low-carb meal consists of a good source of protein, healthy fats, and plenty of non-starchy vegetables. This combination helps keep you full and satisfied while providing essential nutrients. For breakfast, you could enjoy scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado. This meal is not only low in carbs but also packed with protein and healthy fats to start your day off right. Or a low-carb smoothie with protein powder, berries, and almond milk. Smoothies are a quick and convenient option that can be customized to your taste preferences. Lunch and dinner options are just as varied and delicious. You can enjoy a wide range of meals that are both satisfying and nutritious. You could have a grilled chicken salad with olive oil dressing, salmon with roasted vegetables, or a hearty beef stew with low-carb vegetables. These meals are not only tasty but also provide a good balance of protein, fats, and fiber. Or a hearty beef stew with low-carb vegetables. Stews are a great way to incorporate a variety of vegetables and flavors into your diet. Remember to adjust portion sizes to your individual needs and hunger levels. Eating mindfully and paying attention to your body's signals can help you stay on track and avoid overeating. Don't forget about dessert. There are plenty of low-carb dessert options that can satisfy your sweet tooth without derailing your diet. From sugar-free chocolate treats to keto-friendly cakes, you can enjoy a little indulgence while staying within your carb limits. Staying hydrated is also important on a low-carb diet. Drinking plenty of water helps with digestion and keeps you feeling full. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Additionally, consider taking supplements if needed. Some people on low-carb diets may need extra electrolytes or vitamins to ensure they are getting all the nutrients they need. With a little planning and creativity, you can create delicious and satisfying low-carb meals that support your health and wellness goals. Enjoy the journey and have fun experimenting with new recipes and flavors.